Now it's easy to get your measure and find the right size for you. Esenca Sizing tool. It's super simple and user-friendly. All you need to do is wear tight clothes, tie your hair, take the pictures in a well-lit bright room with a clear background, and avoid crowded walls. Next, fill in your details and choose between your preferences. Place your phone at a 90-degree angle, ensuring your entire body is visible on the screen. The voice assistant will guide you, and the tool will take the picture automatically when you're in the right position. Then lower your hands, turn around to the preferred side. In no time, the tool calculates your accurate body measurement. With Esenca Sizing, measuring yourself has never been easier. It's quick, accurate, and your privacy is guaranteed. Get the perfect fit every time.